car, so I'm not gonna stay up here long because I have to turn on some air and get it noisy. But I'm headed to Ross. I have a return because I bought a baby cup the other day, and when I got home to try to like clean it, it was cracked. Like the cup has a big crack in it. I don't know how I didn't see that before I bought it. But yeah, I'm going to take that back. And I have like a skirt that I don't feel like I'm gonna wear, so I'm gonna try to return that too. I probably, you know, don't get anything but a store credit, but that's fine because I shop at Ross a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna try to record in the store, but this camera can't even fit in my bag, so I don't know. Trying to ride slow so y'all won't fall. I should just go, okay, let me back up because I'm about to just go to TJ Maxx. I like this. It's $12.99. I like this one too, but I don't need one this big. Okay, I might have to just order some on Amazon because I still don't see any at TJ Maxx either, so I guess I'm gonna be ordering it on Amazon. Okay, so they didn't have anything. My sister told me that I should include like the storefront when I'm vlogging at a store, so you guys can feel like you're shopping with me. Hey guys, I am vlogging with my old camera. He's down here trying to get in the camera. I have to cut this boy's hair. I cut his hair, by the way. The last time I put some little designs like in the back of his hair. I put some little designs in the back of his hair, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it again this time. If I do, I'm gonna make them a lot more like simple. And I'm mad because I threw the stool away that I used to like use to sit him on to cut his hair. Yeah, I'm about to do a lot of stuff today. I have to go and register my car. I have to go to Walmart, and I have to go somewhere else. I don't even remember, but I have a list on my phone. I'm wearing gray, and I never wear gray shirts because I always like sweat. Sweat, and then the like gray is like fully saturated, and I hate it. It's just gonna be a running errands type of day. I'm about to put on some Nike slides and keep it moving. Okay, hold on guys so I can get him dressed. Hey guys, so this is awkward because I'm outside, but I am getting my car inspected right now. The sticker is going to be like expired at the end of this month, so I had to go ahead and get this done. It's crazy because the grocery store is really close, and I wish I could just go to like the grocery store, but of course I don't have a car, so how can I go grocery shopping? These shorts I have on are like kind of tight. My thighs are like the first thing to gain weight, and then my stomach. Or maybe it's equal, I don't know. But it's weird with me, like I used to be really skinny when I was like maybe 20 and under, and then I moved to the South. And basically, you know, when you move down south, everybody says you're gonna gain weight, so that actually happened. But I actually wanted to gain weight, So I gained like 25 pounds because I was like really skinny. I was like 125 and I gained 25 pounds. So then I was 150. So, yeah. But then after that, my weight kind of kept going up. And I'm not like bad now, but my stomach always has a tendency to be the first thing to get like bigger or like, I don't know, bloated or whatever looking. But then like a few months later, it would always get back flat. But now that I'm older, it's not really like fluctuating as fast as it used to. It's like really windy. Ew, this is a restroom right here. I don't even feel right standing next to this. I'm gonna talk to you guys in a second and tell you whether or not I passed inspection. Hey guys, so I am just sitting outside. I passed inspection, thank God. I'm like slowly but surely just checking everything off my checklist. I'm trying to figure, well, I really don't even have to cook tonight. I was about to say I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna cook, but I really don't have to cook because I still have like the pot roast I made in the slow cooker, and I have that stir fry still, so I can just really focus on doing something else when I get home. But I try to do something within my day, like even if it's just like cleaning the house. That's why this was kind of like the perfect channel for me. Is it going to be any more spaces in here? Because I will park in this handicap spot. Oh, okay. I can do it. I can do it. I remember I didn't know how to drive. I would have been so terrified to do this maneuver. Because it's like cars around and I have to do a little tight K-turn, but I got it now. God, am I even supposed to park right there? No, because it's a stop sign. Gonna have to park right here for a second because there's nowhere else to park.
I'm about to get a haircut.
This side. Okay. Now, time to steal a nose.
No!
I ate it.
But my nose is still on here.